Hey guys, so in this video I am going to walk us through how to create a gradebook in Moodle and enter grades into Moodle. So you can get as simple or as complicated as you want to with this. With the new SU option, we want to be able to allow students to easily see their grade by the end of the term. And so we are suggesting Moodle as the best way to do that in a way to not violate FERPA. So what you're going to do is once you are in your course, you're going to go to Course Dashboard and Gradebook. Once you're inside Gradebook, you'll be able to see all of your students and it will automatically show course total. So you can always just go ahead and enter in the grade that you're keeping up with on Excel if you don't use Moodle grading. And you can enter that in as the course total. So students can easily see what their grade is at the end of the term. Otherwise, you can also add individual graded items into Moodle. And the way you're going to do that is you're going to go to Setup, and you're going to, the very simplest thing is add a grade item. So a grade item might be an exam or a paper. Value is the most common. That's just going to be a point value. You're going to put in how many points that item is out of. You can also here select whether it's going to be extra credit or not. And some of the more options that you have here, you can kind of hide the grades or lock the grades. You can set grades to pass. I don't think most of us need to worry about that so much. But once you are happy with your grade item, you can select Save Changes. And then you will see that item now shows up in your sandbox. Okay. Another thing you can do is you can create a category. So maybe the category is homework, and your total homework grade is out of 100 points. You can choose to aggregate those grades as a simple weighted mean of the grades, mode, their highest grade, their lowest grade. Lots of things you can do with this. I typically default to the simple weighted mean. I stick with value for my grade type. And again, the maximum grade is 100, the minimum grade is 0. You can also weight adjust. So what is the weight of this grade to the overall grade? So we can say maybe this is worth 25% of the total grade. If you don't weight adjust, then it's just going to be that 100 points out of whatever the total points of the course is. Then you can select Save Changes. And see, we have a new folder, which is homework, and then we can add a grade item. So maybe it's week 1 homework set. We're going to say that that's 10 points. Maybe each weekly homework set is 10 points. And now in parent category, I'm going to select, grade category, I'm going to select homework. Okay? And then I'm going to select Save Changes. And now you'll see that the week 1 homework set is under homework. All right. So now if I go to view, I can view my grade book. I can input the grades here and here. For some reason I have exam in here twice. I'll show you how to delete that if you need to. Okay. So if you notice, right, the homework total is 100 points, right, for all the homework sets. So far we've only had 1 homework, so it's 10 points. So the student has an average of 100% on their homework grade, if you see how that works. Okay. I am going to remove that second exam 1. So to remove something, you can just go to Actions and Delete. Yes. Okay. So that deleted that. All right. And then I can go back to View and see on my gradebook. Now the students can see their grades. They are not going to see each other's grades, but they will be able to see their own grades for individual items as well as their overall grade. Again, this is just a good way to sort of maintain that communication and help students stay on top of where their grade is, especially near the end of the term when they may be contemplating whether they want to do the SU or take their letter grade for that class. All right. If you have any questions about that, please let me know. If you want to try to do some more complicated things, let me know. Also, as you create assignments, graded assignments within Moodle, those will automatically show up in your gradebook. So those of you who haven't started a gradebook and you notice that there's already items in your gradebook, that's probably why. Is just because you already have graded items in there. Oh, here we go. Okay. All right. So I hope this was helpful. And let us know if we need to make some additional videos. All right. Thanks. Bye.